Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Inaugurate Amigo 147. God will bless this place. Thank you.
Ban Jinghikai ki badan ke Jingsutanat ban Ïalehkai ke Jinghikai Snooker bat Billiards. La kalong hi kena ki samla bat kirang ba rukum jo. Dang shen la play pat ba ya ke Jaka Jinghikai, hakani ke Ïalehkai, hakani ke nong ba Shillong. Ya kani ke Jaka la tem kum ke Amigo'S 147 ke balaseng do ba Kevin Rani halai mkra Shillong. Haka jo kapor ke bandong ru ke Jaka Ïalehkai Snooker bat Billiards, haka jo kapor ke Jaka bam ni kata ke restaurant. Habai keran bat unong seng ya kani ke Jaka ba Kevin Rani ulaong ba ka thonghi halor ke jingseng ya kani ke Jaka Jinghikai kalong bagi kena bat kisamla kinyo lat ban sngotho khamjana ya kani ke Ïalehkai kenang ba onda kila sngotho bat syampang ba kani ke Ïalehkai kinyo lajmi khamatro shabar ke jela habadan kino ke jingko bahe nakaliang wai ni kirang ba ubalai dan bentalang ban penya ya kani ke Jaka u Taufik Ali Ulaong basyan on sa sedang no yakini ke akademi namar kumakalong menta ladap thongru yaki no hikai ni ki coach ki bana bar jalla bat ka jingsiu na kabanta kitu ki bakwa ban cha hikai hakani ke Jaka kan long kumba lai hajar hadu 100,000 tingka na kabanta shibnai
Warung kenapa ini? Tak ada oh.
This Amigo'S we've opened as a partnership and it's basically a restaurant and snooker, billiards academy. So what will happen is people from Shillong never get represented when it comes to snooker, billiards because none of them know about this game properly. So we are introducing this firm so that the young kids will start learning and we can promote them and send them out. This is a very, very expensive game. You can be a professional in this game and do well in this world. And as for my side, he is a state player. He's a representative of Meghalaya for snooker, for billiards. And for myself, I'm a chef. So we combine ourselves together and we created a resto and billiards bar. So basically that's it. So
most probably we are calling coach from outside for students to teach them. And we are going to start this academy very soon.
For membership, that we are yet to decide for the players, regular players.